chapter 108, Surah Al-Kawthar, in which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, Inna aAAtaynaka alkawthar, Inna aAAtaynaka alkawthar, Fasalli lirabbika wainhar, Inna shaniaka huwa alabtaru. You know what Allah is saying here? Subhanallah. As those people were condemning him, criticizing him, telling him that he's nobody, he's done, his future is done, no hopes. Allah revealed unto him and said, we have given to you, O Muhammad, in abundance. Kathara means plenty. We have given you in abundance. That's why the surah is called abundance. Kawthar. So sometimes it's good to reflect on this. The commentators of the Qur'an say you must always recite this surah. It's a surah of hope. Yeah. Allah told the Prophet ﷺ, we have given you in abundance. Whatever you wanted. Why worry about what these people are saying? You lost 2 sons and you worry about that? Don't let that bother you. Fasalli lirabbika wainhar. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, tells us in the Qur'an, Inna shaniaka huwa alabtaru. Allah says, you praise Allah, you continue doing your duty to Allah, you do whatever you have to do in sacrifice, you do the 9 yards, and you leave these haters to me. Allahu Akbar.